Speaking of legends, she first met writer and poet James Baldwin during the 1950s in France. They immediately connected and soon became very good friends. Now, as the 1960s kicked into gear, inspired and moved by both Martin Luther King and Malcolm X, she took a deep dive into activism, which led to demonstrations, often bringing her son along with her. Opportunities arose, and one such opportunity would lead her to work in Ghana, West Africa as a journalist, actress, and educator for several years. She would then be invited back to the U.S. by none other than Malcolm X to work with him shortly before his assassination in 1965. Then, in 1968, Martin Luther King asked her to organize a march. Both Malcolm X and Dr. King considered her a wise and trustworthy confidant.